Hello students, today we are going to start our MySQL. So first click on here, type MySQL. This command line will come here. Just click on this. You will get this window. Enter password. At the time of installation, if you gave any password, then you have to type here. I didn't assign any password, so I am just pressing the enter. Okay. Now this prompt will get MySQL. Okay, whatever command you want to type, just type here. Okay, this is your MySQL prompt. First command is show databases. Show databases. This command is used to display the existing databases in your MySQL and put semicolon. Okay, after ending of every command you have to put semicolon. Okay, that indicates the system that your command is over here. Now it will execute your command show databases semicolon, press enter, then it will display your database list. Okay, at present we are having 4 databases. By default this 3 databases are assigned at the time of installation. Now one extra database, that's the 12th that I created. Now after this, first time we have to create our database. Okay, so for that purpose use create database and your database name. I am giving here 11 and semicolon. Okay, press enter. Query OK. When you receive this query OK, that means your database is created successfully. Okay, after executing of any command, if you are getting a query OK, means that's your command is executed successfully, otherwise it will display any error. Okay, so create databases 11. Now again I am repeating same command show databases, press enter. Now look here, that 11 comes. Okay, why? Because we created this database. In the starting, on the first time you have to create your database. Okay, once your database is created, on the next time you can use that database. Okay, like here we created our database 11. Now I want to work inside this database. Database contains tables, you know that. Okay, in one database we can create multiple tables. So I want to create one table in this database. For that purpose I have to open this database with the help of use command. Use 11 semicolon. Okay, use and my database name, which database I want to use. Okay, I want to use here 11 semicolon, press enter. Now this database change means my database 11 is open now. After that I can create table or open table, whatever I want to do inside this database, then I can do it. Like here, first I will display tables. Okay, show tables. This is the next command to display the existing tables in the database. Show tables command. This command is used to display existing tables in the database. Show tables, then semicolon. Empty set. It display empty set. Why? Because this database is just created right now, so at this time there is no table in this database. Okay, now after that, how to create a table? For that purpose again we use create table command. Okay, if you want to create the database, then you can use create database. Okay, I want to create table now, So I will use create table. Now table name. Okay. In the case of database, we gave database name, whatever you want. Here I want to create table with name student. Okay. Now I am giving enter. So this create table student. Student is the name of my table. After that, I want to assign the attributes. Okay, I want to define attribute here. Okay, the attribute means the columns of table. Okay, for that purpose, use here a small bracket first, then your column name. First column is my roll number. Now this column, which type of value will store? Okay, and this column, which type of value will store, that we have to define with data types. Okay, roll number, int. Once we define int or integer, you may write. Okay, int means the integer values. Okay, means this column roll number will contain only integers value like 1, 2, 101. Okay, 1001, like this. Okay, no decimal type values like 125.5. Okay, this type of value will not accepted here. Why? Because here we are giving int. Int means integer values. Okay, so int, then comma. With the help of this comma, we can separate the column name. Okay, we can separate two column names with the help of comma. So roll number is my first column. That data type is int, means it will contain only integers values. And now after that, second, I want to give a student name, s name. Okay, second column is s name, student name. So name always contain character values. Okay, character values. For that purpose, we can use here var char varchar. Once you use this varchar, means character type value, okay, that time you have to specify the size of your column. Okay, how many characters it will occupy. Okay, how many character it will contain. So I am giving here 20, maximum 20 characters we can store in as name column. There is one more data type, that's the char, char, only char. Okay, you can use for character type value. Okay, either char, char or varchar. Okay, but there is a difference between char and varchar that we will discuss later on. So as name varchar 20, after that I am putting comma. Now my third column. Okay, third column I want to give here marks. I am giving here double, then 6, 2. Okay, now why here I am giving 6, 2, that we will discuss later. Marks double 6, 2. Okay, put semicolon. Okay. Here first bracket, this close, for double 6 comma 2, okay, and after that this bracket, this is closing bracket of this first one, okay. After create table student, we open one bracket, that's where close in the last and put semicolon and press enter. Query OK means this command is executed successfully. Got it? Now again repeat same command, show tables. Now see here in the list I got this table name student. My table was student, okay. So this table is student. After creating this table, we have to insert records in this table, okay. For this purpose we use insert command, insert into student, okay. Insert into student. Student is our table name, in which table you want to store record, okay. Insert into student. Here give your table name. My table name is student, so I write here student. Enter. Values, that's a constant, okay, and after that open your bracket and give the values in this column. My first column is roll number, so I am giving roll number 101, comma. With the help of comma we can separate the values of two columns, so put the comma. Now as name, always remember this varchar and k type value. When you are using any string value, that's data type is varchar, that always comes in the single quote, okay, always comes in the single quote. Single quote Jai Sharma and single quote close, okay, single quote open and single quote close, then comma. Now third value is marks. I am giving here 45.25 and this semicolon, press enter. Query OK, one row affected, okay. So this record is insert into this table, student table. Got it? Insert into student. Student is my table name. Values, that's 101, comma. Now the column value is Jai. When you are using a char type or varchar data type, then always come with single quotes, okay, that always comes in the single quote. Now comma. Now this marks, okay, marks here I am giving 45.25. that's 0.25, that 25. Why? Because here I am giving comma 2, okay. Now next record I am giving here, again insert into student. For next record again you have to type this insert into student, then values 102, okay, and Rohan, comma 40. I am giving only 40 here, then close semicolon, enter. Now next for third record, insert into student, again values 103, comma Ritu, comma, then 25, this semicolon, press enter, okay. So I inserted three records here, insert into student, this insert into student, and again insert into student. 3 times I repeat this command, okay, but with different values. The values are different, okay, in these 3 columns. Now these records are inserted into student table. After inserting, I want to display the list of these records, okay. For that purpose we can use select star from table name. From which table? we have to display record. So select star from student, semicolon, press enter. Now this is the list. 101 Jay Sharma 45.25, Rohan 40.00, 103 25.00. Okay. So with the help of select command we can fetch or we can retrieve records from the table. Which table? After from you specify the table name. Okay, here I gave that student, so it will retrieve records from the student table. Got it? Now look here, we gave double 6,2. Okay, means this 2 for this decimal places. Okay, and rest of that you can insert here. If suppose I will give here insert into student values. Okay, that's the roll number 104 and Raj, I am giving here 25.123. Okay, so it will that give OK, select student, it will accept only 25.12 because we gave this point comma 2 here. Okay, so we can't go on that. If suppose I will repeat this command one more time, values 105 Mohit, that's the character value, come in the single quote, comma 12345.25. okay, semicolon. So it will give error. What's the error? Out of range value in the column marks. Why? Because here we give 6, total length is 6 and in that 6 2 for decimals. Okay, so here we are giving 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, that's why it's out of range. If suppose I am deleting this here 1. Okay, now you see here these are the 6 digits. Okay, it will accept it by system or not? Let's see. Okay, now select star from student, this is the value. Got it? So today we learn create command with database and create table, insert value in the table with insert command and retrieve records from the table with the help of select command. Okay, and in that we use 3 data type, int, then varchar and next double. Okay, so always remember this 3 data types. There are some more data types in the MySQL that we will discuss later on, but today we discuss int, varchar and double. Okay, if you have any doubts then you may ask. Okay, have a nice time.